Which of the following is closest to 14 power of 2 plus 3 power of 2? Now 14 power of 2 plus 13 power of 2. So 14 power of 2, it means 14 will be multiplied 2 times and 3 will be multiplied 2 times. So 14 multiplied 14 is 196 plus 3 multiplied 3 is 9. So this is the number. Let's see which number of these is closer to 196 plus 9. So 196, so 200 is the nearest number. So it can be this one or this one or this one. So the other number is 9. So the closest number for 9 is 10. So it will be this number. So 200 plus 10 is the closest number to 196 plus 9. If Q represents a negative number, so Q is a variable and represents a negative number. So let's say that Q equal, for example, minus 1. This is a negative number. Which of the following is a positive number? So let's see the options. Q power of 3. Q power of 3, this is odd number. 3 is odd number. So the negative sign will be negative. For example, now we said that Q equal minus 1. So Q power of 3, that means minus 1 multiplied 3 times. So negative multiply negative is positive. Positive multiply negative will be negative, and 1 multiply 1 is 1. So this is not the right answer. Let's see 6Q. 6Q, so if we substitute Q with minus 1, so it will be 6 multiply negative 1, it will be minus 6. Wrong answer. Q divided by 10, so it will be minus 1 divided by 10, it will be negative 1. Wrong answer. Q power of 8. Power of 8. 8 is even, so this will be the right answer. So let's see. So Q power of 8, let's say minus 1 for example, power of 8. So it will be minus 1 will be multiplied 8 times by each other. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So negative multiply negative positive, negative multiply negative is positive. Okay, this also positive, and this also positive. So the answer will be 1. So this is the right answer. And last thing, 5Q, same like 6Q. So 5 multiply negative 1 will be minus 5. So will be the wrong answer. So if the power is odd number and there is a negative sign, so the answer will be negative. If the power is even number and there is a negative number, so it will be a positive number. Okay. Which of the following statement is true? Select 3 correct options. 1 power of 5 equal 1. Yes, this is the right answer. Because 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 5 times. So 1 multiply 1 5 times will be 1. So this is the right answer. 4 power of 2, here that means 4 multiplied 2 times, here only 1 time, so wrong answer. 8 power of 3, 8 multiplied 3 times, right answer. 4 power of 2, 4 2 times, multiply 2 times, and 7 will be multiplied 3 times, so will be the right answer. 1 power of 5 equal 5, wrong answer, because it will be equal 1. And 8 power 3, that means 8 multiplied 3 times. Here it's 4 times, so this is the wrong answer. Which of the following is true? Select the 2 correct answers. 1 over 5 power of negative 5 will be equal to 2 over minus 5 equal to minus 0.4. So let's check. So 2 power of negative 5. 2 negative 5, this I can convert it to positive 5. If I do with positive 5, so I have to flip this number. So it will be from denominator to numerator. So it means that 1 multiply 2 power of 5. So 2 power of 5, it means 2 multiply 5 times by itself, so it will be 32. So the answer will be 32. So this answer is wrong. Now 1 over 7 power of minus 2 will be equal to negative 2 over 7. So let's check 7 power of negative 2. So this is in denominator, so I want to make it numerator, so I put it in the numerator. I will change the sign of the power to be positive. It will be 1 multiply 7 power of 2. So 7 power of 2 means 7 multiplied by 7, so it will be 49. So the answer here will be 49. This wrong answer. 1 over 2 power of negative 5 will be equal to minus 5 over 2 equal to minus 2.5. Same thing here. It's the same option 1. The answer will be 32. So this one will be wrong. Now 1 over 7 power of negative 2. We already solved this one. It's supposed to be 49. So this is the right answer. And the last one, 1 over 2 power of negative 5 will be 32. We already solved this before, so this will be the right answer. So here, if I'm going to say 7 power of negative 2, this one, I have to change this one to a positive, so it means I will flip the number from numerator to denominator, because 7 power of minus 2, it's almost like over 1, so it will be equal to 7 power of 2, and vice versa. For example, I have 1 over 7 power of negative 2. I have to flip this one, I have to move this one to positive, so I will flip the number to the opposite side, so it will be 7 power of 2. Which of the following statements is true? Select all that apply. Okay, number 1. The 7th power of 2. 7th power of 2, that means it will be 2 power of 7. So 2 power of 7, that means 2 will be multiplied 7 times by itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this will be 8 multiply 8 multiply 2. This will be 64. 64 multiply 2 will be 128. This is the answer. So let's see now here. The 7th power of 2 is expressed as 7 multiply 2 and is equal to 14. Of course, this is the wrong answer. The 4th power of 5. 4th power of 5 means 5 power of 4. So means 5 multiply 4 times is 25. There's 25. So we multiply here 25 by 25. So it will be 625. So it will be equal to 625. So let's see here what it's saying. It's expressed as 5 multiplied 4. No, which is equal to 20. Wrong answer. Now the 4th power of 5 is expressed as 5 power of 5. This is right. And is equal to 625. This is also right, so this answer will be right. The seventh power of 2, which is, we said, 2 power of 7, is expressed as 7 power of 2. This is the wrong answer. The seventh power of 2 is expressed as 2 power of 7. This is right. And is equal to 128. We already answered this one with 128, so this is the right answer. The fourth power of 5. So 5 power of 4, we said it's equal to 625. So this is the wrong answer. So this is the wrong answer. What whole number is equal to 4 over 5 power of negative 2? So let's solve it here. So 4 over 5 negative 2. So this one will flip it to numerator. So once we flip it, we will change the sign of the power from negative to positive. So it will be equal to 4 multiply 5 over power of 2. 5 power of 2 is 25 multiplied by 4, so it will be 100. So the answer here will be 100. What is the value of 5 power of negative 2? So 5 power of negative 2, we will flip this number and change the sign of the power from minus to positive. So it will be 1, 5 power of 2 will be 1 over 25. So the answer will be 1 over 25. Given minus 2 power of minus 5 equal to 1 over k, where k is an integer, what is the value of k? So we'll take this number, negative 2 power of negative 5. So this will be equal to 1 over negative 2 power of 5. We change the sign of the power because we flip the number to the denominator. So it will be 1 over this minus 2 will be multiplied by itself 5 times. Okay, so this one will be 4 multiply 4 minus 2. So 16 multiply minus 2, it will be minus 32. So the answer here will be minus 32. So k will be equal to minus 32. Don't forget the sign. What is the value of minus 5 power of minus 3 multiplied by 5 power of 6? I have two ways to solve this question. There is a simple way and longest way. Let's see the simple way. This is number 1. Now here I have the same number, 5 and 5. So when I have the same number, I'm multiplying the same number, or what can I do? That I will say 5. In this case, I will just add to the powers. For example, this is minus 3. Okay, there's number negative 5. Here I will say plus 6. If I have the same number, so I can add the powers. So negative 3 plus 6, it will be minus 5 power of 3. So this will be minus 125. So this is the simple way. And I can use this only if I have the same numbers. I'm multiplying the same numbers, multiplying only. Or divide, that's all. Okay, the longest way is the long way. Okay, I will take minus 3 minus power of minus 5 power of minus 3. That means I will flip this number to be a denominator, so it will be 1 minus 1 over 125. Okay, multiply by 5 over 6 power of 6, it will be 15,000. The number will be 15,625. So will equal to 15,625 divided by 25. It will be equal to this minus, by the way, don't forget the minus. So it will be minus 125. So we have simple way and long way. And all are the same. Answer will be minus 125. Fill in the blank to express in the standard notation 2 power of 6. It means 2 multiplied 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 4. This is 4. 4. So 16 multiplied 4. It will be equal to 64. So the answer will be 64. Fill in the blank to give a true statement. 625 will be equal to number power of 4. 625. So we can use to divide this number by 5. So if 5 power of 4 is equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5, 25 multiply 25 will be equal to 625. So the answer here is 5. What is the value of minus 2 power of 4? Power of 4, that minus 2 will be multiplied 4 times. And the power is even, so this minus will be positive. So here it will be 4 multiply 4 equal to 16. So the answer will be 16. What is the value of minus 8 power of 3? Here the power is odd. It's an odd number, so the answer must have a negative. Okay, so minus 8 power of 3 means minus 8 will be multiplied 3 times. This will be 64 multiplied by minus 8. So the answer will be 512 minus. So the answer is 512. Okay, negative 512. What is the value of 7 power of 2 multiplied by 13 minus 3 power of minus 1? Okay, so 7 power of 2 multiplied by 13 minus 3 power of minus 1. Okay, 7 power of 2, it's 7 multiplied 7. Okay, multiply 13 minus 3 is 1, is 10. 13 minus 3 is 10. 10, and this power of minus 1, so it will be 10 power of minus 1. Okay, so 10 power of minus 1, this will be flipped to 1 over 10. And 7 multiplied 7 is 49. So it will be equal 49 divided by 10. It will be 4.9. So the answer here would be 4.9. Refer to the figure to answer the question. I have two rays intersect in C. So here it is saying the sides of angle, this angle, are rays CA. So this is CA and CB. So this angle The sides of this angle is CA and CB. So this angle is ACB or BCA. So I have here the answer ACB or BCA. You have this two are right, but the angle, which is C, has to be in the middle here. What is the vertex of angle UVL? Angle of UVL. So, as I said here, the angle in the middle, which is V. So the vertex is V. So I have here UVL. So UVL, let's say UVL. So the vertex is this point, V. Refer to the figure to answer the question. I have this angle, O, and these two sides, OY and OW. So here saying which three letters can be used to fill in the blank. Okay, other possible names for angle W O Y are, so they want three names for the angle W O Y. So the first one can be YOW, YOW. Okay. And here I have another point called X, so I can say XOY, XOY, and the opposite YOX, YOX. So these are the names of the angles. Refer to the figure below to answer the question. Which point is in the exterior of angle EFG? So the angle is EFG. Okay. This side of the angle is called interior. And the other side is called exterior. So here is asking for exterior. So which point is the exterior? I see S. So the answer is S. Refer to the diagram below. What number can be used to fill in the blank? Angle is vertical to 2. So this angle 2. So the vertical angle is the opposite angle to 2. Which one is opposite angle? So if I see this is the angle of 2, so the opposite is 5. Okay, what is the opposite angle of 1? So I have this one, see 1. So the opposite angle is 3. And what is the opposite angle for 6? It will be 4, and vice versa. So angle 5 is vertical to angle 2. So any angle opposite to each other, it's vertical. Okay, so the answer here is 5. 9 power of 2 minus 5 power of 2. So 9 power of 2 is 9 multiply 9. Minus and 5 power of 2 is 5 multiply 5. 9 multiply 9 is 81. And 5 multiply 5 is 25. So the answer here will be 56. So the answer is 56. 8 power of 2 multiplied by 3 power of 2. What is the value of the expression above? This 8 power of 2 multiply 3 power of 2. Okay, someone here can say, I can add these power together. I would say, no, this is not right because the numbers are different. If the numbers are the same, I can add the power together. But if the number is different, I cannot add the powers. So here, 8 power of 2, it's 8 multiply 8, multiply, and 3 is 3 multiply 3. So this one, 8 multiply 8 is 64, multiply 9. So the answer will be 576. So the answer is 576.